Hi guys, my name is Ilko Hristov and I'm a freshman at AUBG this year. I am from Bulgaria and right now I would like to do a campus tour for you guys so that you know how our university looks like. And the first thing I would like to show you is my room. So this is my room. You can see how a room looks like. Come inside so you can take a closer look. The first thing you see when you come in the room is the map of the world that we have, which has been my dream. Then you have my guitar, and then we have also our shoes here on the back floor. We have the refrigerator here, and we have the hangers here so that you can hang all of your nice clothes. So over here we have our cupboard that we basically store our clothes in. Right next to it is the bed of my roommate, and over here, this is our improvised kitchen. On the upper shelf, we've put some spices, we've put some of our dishes, some bowls, and our silverware. And the reason why this desk is actually a kitchen is because we have big enough room with 3 desks. So this is the kitchen, this is my desk over here, and that is my roommate's desk. And because the room is so big, we can actually allow ourselves to have a kitchen. And so this is my bed next to the kitchen, and right next to the bed is my desk. Up here, there is something that I would like to show you. So this is my acceptance letter, and it's actually super cool. It looks like you've been accepted to Hogwarts, because when you actually open it, you can see that it says congratulations, and it's super personalized. They send it to you via the post. Down here I have decorated my desk, and I obviously have a lot of sticky notes because there is a lot to do in the university and you don't want to fall behind, so that's why I have them. Over here, if we look on the opposite side, is my roommate's desk, and right next to the desk is the wardrobe. I'm so excited about the wardrobe, honestly, because look at this, like it's so amazing and it's only for me. Mom, I am never sharing a wardrobe with you again, because look at this. I have my own wardrobe for the first time in my life, and it also has some lights, which is something that I've always wanted. This is the wardrobe that I'm sharing with my roommate. This is his wardrobe, and right next to his wardrobe is the bathroom, and I want to show it to you because it's really nice. Okay, let's go. Over here we have this big beautiful mirror that you can use in the morning to prepare yourself for the great day that you have ahead of you. Right on the side is the bathroom, where you're obviously going to take a shower because hygiene is something extremely important. Please do take a shower. And right opposite the bathroom is the toilet, which is not extremely interesting, but it's there, we have it, so don't worry about it. And right now I would like to actually take you outside so that I can show you the rest of our beautiful campus. Let's go! So the first building that I would like to show you guys is the one right here. So this is the Bulkanski Academic Center. This is the place where all of my lectures take place, and this is the place where you can also find the library. Let's take a closer look. In order to get in, you of course need an access card, because this promotes safety, and you know that you're not gonna get kidnapped, right? So the first thing you see when you enter the building is the library, which is right here. We're not gonna get in right now because you have to keep quiet in the library, but it's a great place for you to study. We have a very, very beautiful library, and if you have serious exams, which you're going to have, the library is the best place to go. Right now, I would like to show you the truly interesting stuff in this university. Okay, I'm super excited. Let me guys take you to the Mac Lab. Okay guys, here we are. This is the Mac Lab. This is the place where all of the magic happens. This is the place where I edit my videos. Let's get inside. Look at that. So this is the place where I come to edit all of my videos, and I think that it is such a nice opportunity that they allow us, the students, to use such modern technology. Okay guys, let's go further. The next place I would like to show you on this floor is namely the Auditorium. So this is the place where all the important meetings take place. So if there is an Erasmus project, if there is a competition, it's gonna take place right here. I feel like it's really nice to have such a place where you can attend such a formal meeting. Let's go now downstairs to show you one of my favorite places, the studio. Let's go. This is such a special place for me. This is the studio of AUBG. Come on guys, this is a studio, literally, this is a studio. I'm gonna be spending a lot of time here probably doing videos, so I really appreciate this place. Okay, let me take you to the other building so I can show you the rest of our beautiful campus. Let's go. So the next building that I would like to show you is the America for Bulgaria Student Center, which is positioned right there. This is where my favorite place is. I know I'm saying this for every single place, but honestly, that's where the theater is, and I would like to be an actor. My dream is to be an actor. On the way there, we're going to pass the beautiful green spaces where people from the whole town come to rest, and they're so extremely beautiful. I can't even explain, so let me just show you. Let's go. Real quick, before we enter the building, I just wanted to show you guys the cafe where I usually come to chill with friends or just study up a little bit. Okay, here we are. This is my favorite place, namely the theater. Let's get inside. Look at this. My dream is to be an actor, so I'm super happy about the fact that the university has invested so much money to build such a beautiful theater hall. This is one of the most beautiful theater halls I've been in general, not only in a university. Let me now take you to another place, which I'm not going to visit so often, but some of you may, namely the sports hall. Let's go. So here we are in front of the sports hall, and you know, I'm not a very sportish person, I'm more of an art person, but we have a beautiful sports hall, so let me guys take you inside. Look at how huge this place is, like look at it. And besides, what's so cool about it is, you see all of these flags? Those flags represent the countries that have played here in this very sports hall, which is super cool. In addition to this hall, we also have fields for outdoor sport activities. Let me show you. In order to get to the sports fields outside, we go past the theater and out the door. Here we are, and here you can actually enjoy all of the sports that you can think of. There is a football field, a basketball field, tennis, volleyball, even street fitness. So if you like any of those sports, this is the place for you. There are so many opportunities that you'll never get bored, trust me. I forgot to mention, you can even play baseball. The residence halls here in the university are called Skapto 1, 2 and 3. And in addition to all those sports facilities, here in Skapto 1 we also have a very beautiful gym where you can do dance rehearsals or even practice your favorite TikTok. We're back inside next to the theater hall because I want to show you one last place in this building, and this is namely the school canteen. Let's go up the stairs. Here we are, and we enter from here. So this is the school canteen, the Hungry Griffin. Here you can find all sorts of foods from salads to main course dishes, meat, vegetarian options, fruits, vegetables, desserts, and a huge variety of drinks. I feel like it's very convenient to have freshly cooked food right next to the university, and whenever I get my meal, I would usually go outside on the terrace and have my meal there, and it is so beautiful. Let me just show you. So this was our beautiful campus, and if you have any further questions, you can leave them with the admissions team right here. Now, I wanted to tell you guys the reason why I chose to study in this very university. It is because here in the university, everyone, even the professors, want us to succeed, and we are the future of this world. And I mean, you could also study here.